Samsung continues to expand its 2020 Galaxy A lineup with the addition of the Galaxy A21s. It's yet another mid-range model that the company has added to its popular lineup. It sticks to the strategy that Samsung has opted for this year, offering an immersive display with robust specs and a versatile camera system. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Muhammad Shahbaz Ali, and today I have received another amazing budget phone, Samsung Galaxy A21s, from the previously released Samsung Galaxy A20s last year. It has a stunning display, a multi-module camera setup, and, in Samsung's own words, long-lasting battery life. So keep watching. Coming up next. So let's open the box. Here is a warranty card. A quick start guide. It's in English. A फौरी शुरू करने का guide. It's in Urdu, especially for my loving and peaceful country, Pakistan. And a warranty card book. The box I have received, there is not a silicone cover. Here is an IMEI token. Here is a phone we will talk about later. A fast charger that supports 15 watts fast charging. A SIM tray ejecting key. And a standard USB cable. So here is the best mid-ranger smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A21s. Let's start the device. Design-wise, the Galaxy A21s is not unlike many of other devices in this series. It's made from the same 3D gloss stick material and also has a hologram effect on the back for visual appeal. Like most of its 2020 smartphones, all of physical buttons are placed on the right side of the frame. Samsung has introduced the new monster of autonomy, Samsung Galaxy A21s. With Android 10 model belongs to the middle class, offers a fashionable design, a capacious battery, and an advanced operating system. The new model has retained its previous design and differs from its predecessor in several ways. More especially, the Galaxy A21s has a slightly better main camera, more memory, and a higher capacity of the battery. Samsung Galaxy A21s has received a Super AMOLED Infinity O display with HD Plus resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels, a wide-angle 6.5 inches HD Plus screen with an inconspicuous notch for the front camera, allows you to enjoy your favorite movies and games, chat online and stream live reports. Accurate color reproduction and improved detail make the image realistic and vibrant, so you can immerse yourself in the content completely. The dimensions of the Galaxy A21s is 163.7 by 75.3 by 8.9 mm and weighs 192 grams. The Galaxy A21s is going to the most affordable smartphone in this lineup to afford a macro camera. It has received a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel f2.0 primary sensor, accompanied by an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide and 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor. The Galaxy A21s also has a 2 megapixel f2.4 macro camera. There is a 13 megapixel f2.2 front camera for video calls and selfies embedded in the left corner of the display. Samsung is going to ship the Galaxy A21s with Android 10 out of the box, in addition to One UI 2.1, which will include a variety of new features that were first introduced with the Galaxy S20, such as Quick Share and Music Share. The handset will be eligible for 2 major Android OS updates. For watching HD videos, movies and playing games, the Samsung Galaxy A21s has received newly launched chipset, the powerful 8-core Samsung Exynos 850 processor. There is a fingerprint scanner equipped on the rear panel for unlocking the device and the function of identifying the user by Face ID unlocking recognition. The Galaxy A21 is equipped with 5000 mAh battery, which allows you not to think about recharging for many hours. Live in the usual rhythm, play your favorite games, watch movies and TV shows, chat online, and don't think about the lack of charge. Fast recharging with power of 15 watts can recharge the battery in the shortest time. For example, at a lunch break, everything works as a single debugged mechanism. The powerful 8-core Samsung Exynos 850 processor and up to 4 GB of RAM provide seamless and smooth operation of all programs and applications. Built-in memory up to 64 GB is enough to store a large amount of different information. Do you feel the lack of space? The budget phone can use 2 SIM cards at once, and it has a dedicated micro SD card slot. Use a micro SD card up to 512 GB to save even more vivid photos and your favorite music. The smartphone will receive 4 color options: black, white, blue and red. Sales will begin very soon in Pakistan. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and tell us your thoughts in the comment section. For more tech news and updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.